Di ba para siyang lansones? Yan. Subukan natin. Here's what it looks like, see? Interesting, huh? Itatanim ko to. I will plant this. I will plant the seed in here too. Yeah. Diba? Here's my vegetable. Aligbate. Ayan, ang aligbate ko. And here's my papaya. Here's my talong. And this is my sugar cane. Ang aking kamote, dalawang klase. One is super red. And I want a sweet one. And a different gabi. One is small, one is long. O, tingnan mo. Yan ang aking talong. And guess what? I got jackfruit. And look at this. This is lanzones. May lanzones kami. Sili. Oh my God. Ang dami kong mga gulay. O, diba? Tungtuwa naman ako. The beauty of yummy harvesting. O, diba? O, ayan na. Marami na akong mga gagawin. Paborito kong kamote. Sweet na sweet yan. O, diba? Jackfruit. Lanzones. Ayan. Alagbate, talong, at alam nyo na to, native na, yan, ampalaya. That's a native ampalaya. So, yan, go. That's what I got.